Hey guys, it's Mr. John from the Poughkeepsie Public Library. We hope you're doing well at home. We really miss you guys. Since we can't see you, we're going to try to do some little videos. So with some story time, some experiments, all kinds of videos will be coming to you soon. This first one, I have my helper Isabella here.
I'm his assistant.
Yeah, she's my assistant. And we're gonna make some Play-Doh. So while you're home, you can make some Play-Doh.
I don't need to go outside.
And the recipe comes from this book, Cool Doughs, Putties, Slimes, and Goops, which you can find at the library.
Dad, can I just hold this?
Yep. Which you can find at the library when we reopen again. Here's the recipe.
And the colors that we're going to be doing is blue, green, and we're going to try apple scents.
There you go. Okay, so what we need are some, let me show the ingredients. So we have 1.5 cups of flour,
Yep.
1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of salt,
Blue and green food coloring.
blue and green food coloring,
and apple scents.
and we want to make it smell nice, so we have this apple scent.
And a big bowl.
A big bowl. That's it. Very simple stuff you probably have at home. Okay, so we gotta take our bowl. We're gonna put the flour and the salt into a mixing bowl. Yep, go for it.
Alright, this is it?
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, since we're doing a scent, we gotta put a few drops of the scent into the bowl.
Okay. We're only doing green today. We might do blue, but we're not doing that. We'll make it look weird. How many?
Squeeze a few drops in there. We're also gonna do the food coloring now. Green.
I mean, can we add a little blue?
Yeah. You sure there's food coloring, not paint?
These are no slime. I mean, I have food coloring.
I hope it's food coloring. Okay.
What if it's not?
Okay, so we need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil also.
Okay. Vegetable oil. One
Okay, so
tablespoon.
yeah.
Tablespoon is over here.
1 tablespoon, so the big one.
This one.
Yep.
With this.
1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
That smells so good.
That's an apple.
It smells really good. Whoa, that looks cool actually. Should I go get a spoon?
Okay.
Do you want to mix it?
Now, usually when you make Play-Doh, you have to put it in the stovetop. But with this recipe, you just need to put it in the microwave.
Also, I have a spoon here.
So we're gonna put this 1 cup of water into the microwave for 3 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes until the water boils.
Okay. Hopefully this stuff is not paint. Hopefully this is food coloring, not paint. Hopefully. Okay, so we waited 4 minutes.
Okay, we're back. Water's boiling. So now we're going to slowly pour into the bowl. Be very careful at this point because the water is super hot. Don't pour it too fast.
And do this with an adult.
Yes, do it with an adult. See all the steam rising up? All right, after that, you're going to mix it with a fork.
It looks like it's food coloring.
Maybe.
What?
Okay, so here's the consistency.
Yep.
It's turning into dough.
Yep, and by the way, this is Isabella cam. It looks like it's turning into dough. It doesn't smell too good, but it's okay because we have boiling water.
Probably could use more food coloring. Okay, so at this point, we can take our dough out of the bowl.
Can I add a little more food coloring?
No,
I feel it.
careful, it's hot. Okay, so it's out of the bowl. We're gonna knead it with our hands.
I need it. Can I need it a little bit?
And again, you have to be very careful because it is very hot.
We should put a mat down. Can I feel it?
Yes, you should probably put a mat down, you're right, because it's sticking to the counter.
So, tip: if you're doing Play-Doh, put a mat down first, or at least anything. Experiments. put them out down on a towel.
So if you find that your dough is too sticky,
Like
this one's a little sticky, just get a little more flour and add a little more flour to it.
Should I go? Where's the flour?
The flour is right
Which one?
in the middle one. It's like when you make pizza dough, you gotta flour it.
Yeah. And your hands will get messy if you put extra flour. Our hands are not that messy unless you touch the dough. But yeah. Should I go put this back? Okay.
There you go. Okay, so I added a whole bunch of flour because it was just way too sticky.
And we added more scents.
And we added some more sand. So here's the finished product.
It's okay.
It's like Play-Doh.
Yeah. Yeah. This is really heavy.
Yeah, well, it makes a big glob of it. But if you find it still too sticky when you make it, just keep adding more flour.
Until it's like less sticky. I mean, this is like a little more sticky. It's a little sticky.
And if the kids put in the mouth, it's all natural ingredients. It's just salt and flour and oil and water.
And food coloring.
Yeah, that's fine. So there you go, homemade Play-Doh.
And that's it.
Yep. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll be back another time with another video.
Yep.
And
And I'll always be the assistant.
we'll have some story times and stuff coming too.
Yep.
And yeah, stay healthy and safe.
It's
And
cabbage.
we'll see you next time.
Eat your cabbage.